feel like you have something for us.
Ben, are you thinking we were going to have only vegetables
we're not
at
doing
my
it.
demo?
We can't do
Let's
this.
slide
Let's see.
over here and see the real barbecue
This,
rib.
you know what?
Alright.
When I go to a museum, I want to see that right there. That's what I want to see in a
Well,
picture frame.
I wanted to embrace the vegetarian barbecue,
It was
but I
very
didn't
nice
want
of
to
you.
not have some real
Oh, my
barbecue.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh.
Dive in there,
So
Ben.
this
That is
so the way we made
insane.
these ribs, it's like a 3-step process.
Uh-huh.
You peel them, you put rub on them, you put them on the smoker for a couple hours. Go ahead, Ben. You can
Thank
you can
you.
dive into that. You put them on the smoker for a couple hours, and then you wrap them in foil and add a little bit of apple juice and a little bit of sugar. Wrap them up in foil, and then they get real tender. And then you put them back on and brush them with barbecue sauce.
Wow.
It's like a 3-step process. So you get them all smoked up to looking like that, but they're not quite tender yet. Then you put them into foil, and they get tender.
Yeah, that's great, man.
There, how about that?
Oh,
I might
that's
have some
legit.
myself.